Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to present and export your design in Figma like a pro. Whether you want to impress your team with a smooth design presentation or need to export your work to share or embed it on a website, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the know-how to do it confidently and efficiently. Let's jump right in. So once you've finished your design work in Figma, maybe you've built a sleek web mockup or a polished mobile interface, it's time to share it with others. Now at the top right corner of the Figma window, you'll notice a button labeled Present. This is right next to the Preview button. Go ahead and click that. What this does is open up your design in presentation mode. Think of it as putting your design up on a virtual stage, where all the distractions of the editing interface disappear. This mode is perfect for showing your design to clients, teammates, or anyone who needs to focus purely on your creative work, without all the technical layers and tools surrounding it. Now suppose you want to take your design a step further and actually embed it directly onto your website or blog. This is super handy if you want viewers to interact with your live Figma design, maybe scrolling or clicking through prototypes, rather than just looking at a static screenshot. To do this, after you've gone into presentation mode, look for the option labeled Share Presentation. Click on it, and you'll see an Embed Code option. Go ahead and click Embed Code. Figma will generate a snippet of code for you. It looks like a little piece of HTML. What you want to do is copy this code and then paste it into your website's code, wherever you want your interactive design to appear. This is just like embedding a YouTube video, but instead, you're letting people engage with your actual design. Super cool, right? If you've never done this before, don't worry, most website builders have a way to easily paste and embed codes, usually through an HTML or embed block. But maybe you need something simpler, like exporting your design as a file you can send via email or upload to another platform. For that, we'll head back to the main design editor. You don't need to be in presentation mode for exports. Just click on the individual design, frame, artboard, or element that you want to export. You'll notice when you have something selected, down at the bottom of the right-hand sidebar, there's an export section. Click Export and Figma will present you with a range of options. Maybe you want a PNG or JPEG for images, or a PDF for documents, or even SVG for vector graphics. Pick the format that suits your needs and hit that final export button. Depending on the complexity or size of your design, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a little pause. And that's really all there is. By carefully using presentation mode, grabbing the embed code, or exporting your designs as files, you're making it super easy for others to review, interact with, or use your work. Small details like using the correct file format or presenting your design distraction-free can make a big difference in how professional your work appears. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy designing.